Morning guys, today's Tuesday, 30th of June. Yesterday I went to Swansea again, which was fun. I chilled, listened to the music and not filmed. Today I'm back on multidrop and I'm just delivering to GES Water. They're not open till 8:30, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm just gonna go find out. Maybe that will tip me early, maybe not.
Hello?
Hi, I've got your pallet delivery.
Okay, you're at the back door, yeah?
I am, yes.
Okay.
Cheers. Looks like we're in luck. Because one fell over, or just split or something.
Which are these two?
This, and this.
Oh, three.
Okay. Is it both of
Very worried a bit.
Oh my gosh, it's slippery. Wow, 2 at a time.
Well,
Are you just showing off?
no.
These I can do 2 at a time. Well, he almost refused it, but he didn't. He just thought, you know what, let's just handball him off. Yes, in the rain, still got warm. Nice. Next one I'm going to some labels in Aylesbury. Express labels. Let's go find them. Express labels, 5 minutes away from here. So it should be nice and easy, hopefully. Doesn't look like it's here. Yay, I found them! Just need to try and get my lorry somewhere into here. Are you express labels? Yeah. Goods in? I've got you 2 pallets, but I'm just across the road. One bad thing about multi-drop. 90% of time you can find places, no problem. Google Maps are really good. I use my co-pilot sat nav to get to close to the destination, and then towards the very end I use Google Maps and it takes me straight there. And this time Google Maps took me right here, but I need to go a few buildings behind me, so there's nowhere to turn around ahead, so I'm going to blindside reverse into this road here. That's my plan, and then when I'm reversing into the labels, at least it's on my side to reverse. Gotta watch out for that car. I might get out and look at it a couple of times as I'm reversing. Oh. my god, that was horrendous. But I did it.
Yeah, it's all one loop.
Next stop, High Wycombe, Dome Print.
If you turn around, then I've got a forklift, we can come here.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. If I
Yeah.
reverse into here, and then yeah, position myself so
No, you can leave your truck this way.
on the road. Ah, turn around on the road.
I'll tell you where to stop because
Reverse it into here. Okay.
I'll bring my fork here because mine is like a toy.
I found the place, but now they're all wondering. They're all asking me, how are you gonna get out of here? There's nowhere to turn around. So I think I have a plan.
You're very brave.
I am, aren't I?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Some places they sent me. Oh. Massive lorry for a tiny pallet. That's what I thought.
Been driving these long?
Big ones, no. I've done 2 years on nights, pallet ways, which is easy. You just go to the hub and back. But multi-drop, 3 weeks.
Oh.
Not long. Oh, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I like the challenge though, you know, this place very tight. I've done it, it's okay. I can do this again hopefully.
Yeah, I mean, there's another girl that comes here, but lorry's not quite as big.
Yeah, a bit smaller.
She's quite young, she's only...
Bring it in a smaller one so they can come. So.
That's why you have a yard. But your yard is too big.
It's too small.
Too small even, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
At
you.
least you did it, otherwise you'd...
Yeah.
get no problem.
Thank you very much. They didn't like me here. No, scratch that. They loved me here, but they didn't like my truck here. Even though I got in here, they directed me how to turn around. Just about helped me. But they took a picture of the truck next to their yard and they said, for proof, they've already told people not to send big trucks here. So obviously my boss must know, but I think he's just trying to see where he can squeeze me in. Did it. I have 3 pallets for you to deliver. So, reverse it in. You'll what?
Way outside, come get it.
Huh?
Just way outside, we'll come and get it.
Just outside. I'll wait outside. And then I will need to reverse, yeah?
Yeah, you need a banksman.
Yeah. That's what I read on the...
Well done.
I'll put a high vis on as well.
It's only you women that see the signs.
I saw it. So I'm just down the road, so wave me, because I don't want to get too close to give myself space. When you're ready, I'll be ready. Passenger. Passenger middle. Other side. Yeah?
Take the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That'll be all right.
Alright, like this.
Yeah.
yeah, I might have. I've been watching Jacob Rocker.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, I think I've seen him as well.
Yeah. Well, I'll come let you out.
I'm not ready. I've got to strap up yet. Yeah, that one.
Try to get into our men's or you want to do it, but the sort of lady comes in. Poi just oggi non la fai mai io? Magari non mi sta. Ok, adesso vieni, in shop, vai in orange door right in the corner.
How do I get out of here? That way or reverse?
No, reverse.
Okay.
We'll look after you, Mark.
Oh, thank you. That was Hemel Hampstead. Never been there before. Lots and lots of signs for you're not allowed to go here, you're not allowed to go there, weight limit, height limit. But it came off M1 and the first couple of things left and then I was there. So it was quite easy and nice. And they reverse you out, which is also easy and nice. Not reversing is easy and nice. So yes, and now I'm going to Berkshire, I think. Have a look. Bracknell. RG12. It's a nice long drive again. Enjoying the life. IPCs are off, now I can race it. First time I came to this place to deliver, this tiny little roundabout was not my favourite. I was like, what, are you sure this is where I'm meant to be turning around? Isn't there like somewhere else? I'm sure it doesn't just go all the way around the building. No, this is where they all turn around, all the Arctics, blah blah blah. Right, okay, so I did it. I squeezed myself through. It's still not my favoritist, but I could do it. So I only got 2 more stops to make. An hour drive time to get to them. So all is good. I'm not too far off from finishing and delivering everything. See that? Just had a message from the boss and I'm going back to Swansea tomorrow. Yes, happy days, that'll be fun. Nice long drive again. I know exactly where I'm going. I can relax all the way there, all the way back. Not panic to find a place, not panic whether I'll get stuck or not. Amazing times. Yeah? Check you. Tomorrow at that other yard road. My job here is done. Everything's delivered. 6 pallets collected. Back to the yard. Fuel up first. And get ready for Swansea tomorrow! Yay! Keep watching. Keep subscribing. Keep having fun with me on the road. Catch you next time.